Now, the latest NHIF and KPC multi-billion shilling scandal has roped in more than 27 people who are now facing up to 7 separate counts of criminal charges. Among them is one Fredrick Sagwe, who rose from the front office to a millionaire overnight. Tonight, we take a walk down memory lane and reveal the unlikely millionaires who either took advantage of a weak system, had connections in high places, or were simply beneficiaries of a well-oiled state of corruption. Now, little-known Fredrick Sagwe is a man with a modest job but immense wealth. Sagwe works as a front office manager at NHIF with a monthly salary of about 150,000 shillings. He's said to have bought 8 houses in Athi River at 160 million shillings. He also owns a chain of car and carpet cleaning businesses in Nairobi valued at 50 million shillings. And he's said to have held a wedding worth 25 million shillings. Sagwe lives in a house worth 40 million shillings at a Green Park estate along Mombasa Road and owns several high-end vehicles. Now, Fredrick Sagwe is not the only one. Just last week, the court froze property and assets belonging to Gerets' family in an attempt to recover close to $500 million shillings stolen from NYS. The Gerets perhaps epitomized the plunder in NYS 2, where they were paid 465 million shillings within 22 months for supplying quote-unquote air. The family owns multi-million properties in various parts of the country and 3 cars. The Asset and Recovery Agency has obtained orders stopping any of the family members from selling the properties believed to have been acquired through process of graft. The list does not end there. In 2016, a driver linked to NYS1 scandal was at pains to explain how 346 million shillings was wired through his accounts. John Cargo, a former driver in a local bank-owned property worth million shillings in Nairobi, ran a high-end vehicle leasing company with Range Rovers and Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The money is believed to have been wired to his account at the height of the NYS1 scandal by suspects Ben Geddy and Josephine Kafura, who Cargo claims to have met in the banking hall and agreed on a soft loan worth 60 million shillings. Kafura herself was at the time a hairdresser. Well, Josephine Kafura, of course, shocked the nation when she confessed to having carried out money in sacks. Kafura, who later penned a contentious affidavit that implicated the then Devolution CS Anwar Guru, allegedly made more than 1.6 billion shillings from the NYS deals. Kafura, who was previously a hairdresser, owned 20 companies, all of which had business dealings with NYS. The Assets Recovery Agency is now in a series of court battles to have suspects' assets frozen until the cases are heard and determined.